everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rain gutter cleaning business. If you run a rain gutter cleaning business, then manually handling all the questions and cleaning appointments can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will book all the cleaning appointments and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for rain gutter cleaning services. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I have sent a general message like hello. And our chatbot responds with, "Hi, need your gutters cleaned. I'm here to help." And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one that says book cleaning. And it responds with book cleaning. Please send your preferred date. So here I'm going to send my date. I've sent a random date. And our chatbot responds with please send your address. So here I'm going to send a dummy response. And our chatbot responds with confirmation message. You're booked. We will see you on 6th May 2025. At ABC address. So I'm going to click on the second option that says get a code. And our chatbot responds with just share gutter length in feet. So here I'm going to send 3 feet. And our chatbot responds with thanks. Based on your info, estimated cost is 1200 rupees. Final cost will be sent after inspection. So I'm going to click on the last option that says contact us, and our chatbot responds with a team member will assist you shortly or call us directly on this given number. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for rain gutter cleaning services with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Flow for Rain Gutter Cleaning. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression. It is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. From here, you can choose a template. When we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I have added this message, and here I am going to add these little star signs as it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional as well. Here I have added this message which will look like this to the user. With the help of add button option, I am going to add some quick reply options, such as here I have added these quick reply options. Once we have created our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with book cleaning. And for that, we have to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here, and here I'm going to get the details. Here I have added this message where I'm asking for booking date. And here we have option to select contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. As I click on it, we get a list of all the contact custom fields in the drop down. Here I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any, then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I will ask another question, and here I'm going to ask address. So here in the contact custom field, I'm going to select address, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the question box, and then I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this confirmation message which will look like this to the user. You are booked. We will see you on $time at $address. So time was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual date sent by the user. And similarly for $address, it will be replaced by the actual address sent by the user. Once we are done with our first response, we have to curate a response for the second option that says get a quote. And for this again, I'm going to access the question box, and here I'm going to add. Here I've asked get a quote, just share gutter length in feet. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the quick reply option. Next, I'm going to curate a response for this with the help of text button. Here I've added this message, and it will look like this to the user. Final cost will be sent after inspection. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for contact us, and for this I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add all the contact details. Here I've added this message, a team member will assist you shortly or directly contact us on this given number. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for rain gutter cleaning services. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you're done creating your chatbot, you have to save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.